Hey, welcome back to the Improvement Channel. Today my son and I are going to get to work on this fence. We've got some rust conversion to do, and we're going to try to get this whole 300 feet of fence knocked out today on the rust conversion. Then I will be coming back in a couple of days to do the painting of the fence. Let's get started. Today I'm working on a fence project here where we've got a lot of rust. We've got rust under this paint. So if I put something here on top of the paint, it's not going to get down to the rust. So I've got to get this old paint off. So what I'm doing is I'm using my brand new Ryobi cordless grinder, and I am going through. I've done this side, these few pickets already, and I pulled the paint right off. Anything that has rust under it's just chipping right off. As you can see with my hands, you put that wire brush to it and it pops it right off of there quick. So like you can see here where it's come off on this side, I'll have to go around and do the other side as well, but it'll pull it right off. Then I can put my rust stopper on it, and I'll give you some more information on that here in a minute. But yeah, this whole fence is pretty rusty. So when I get finished, it's going to look like new. So this 300 feet of fence is about 40 panels worth, and I am running through with this grinder. Did one side of 2 panels and realized that this was taking a very long time. Luckily, I went ahead and brought my pressure washer trailer. I wanted to give that a try as well, so let's get started with that. So to give you a good idea of what 300 feet of fence looks like, it's everything from where I'm starting up here past where those hedges end. And that's the 300 feet. Here is my pressure washer trailer, and I have it hooked to the house, filling up the tank here. So I'm just kind of getting everything out and ready to go on that. I normally only have 100 feet of pressure washer hose. That's the yellow hose there, but I've hooked up another 100 feet of the gray. That's going to make it a lot easier for me to get around and get to everything a lot faster. The green hose you see there, that's what's going to the house. I've got that on the other reel, and there's 100 feet of that. And then it comes off the reel, and then there's maybe 8 feet that goes here into the tank. And that's a 100-gallon tank, and the tank fills up at about 9 gallons a minute. So you can do the math on the rest of that. So here we go. I got us all set up, ready to start pressure washing. Here's some rusty rails, pickets, and let's see what the pressure washer will do on this, and let's see if it's a little faster than the grinder. As you can see there, it does an excellent job getting the excess rust and paint off, and is much faster than the grinder. The thing that has to be done next, and maybe the most important part, is make sure you subscribe to this video. We really appreciate you subscribing. Give us a thumbs up, turning on the bell notifications, and also if you can share this with somebody who might enjoy the video, it would be greatly appreciated. So today I'm going to be using the XION 2-in-1 rust converter and primer. What I really like about this product is that it is 2-in-1 converter and primer. I have used some products in the past that was just a converter. You had to put it on, wait about 10 minutes, and then rinse it back off. With this, you put it on one time and you're done. Logan here is applying this. He has a black rubber glove on below this sock. Keep the paint off of his hands, or for the most part try to, or in this case 2-in-1 rust converter. And by using this sock like this, you dip it down in the rust converter, and then you really don't waste anything. You're getting everything on the product. You're wiping away anything that's loose at the same time as you're installing it. So it works very well. It does wear out a sock pretty quick, because typically what you do is you get an old sock that's already partially worn out. But this product goes on, and if you wanted to keep your fence this color, you can put another layer of this on. With 2 coats of this product on, you can actually take a wire brush. I've seen them do it in the demo when I was looking to buy this product. Take a wire brush to it, it won't even scratch. It's pretty amazing stuff. So the nice thing about it too is it is red. So when you go back over it with the black, if you miss a spot, the red kind of shows through. So you can come back and see your areas that need to be touched up rather easily. Now I want to show you a little spot here where we've got a blowout from where it's frozen with water in it. And we're going to cover that up with some extra product here. See if we can get this to seal. And then once it seals, it'll kind of make a hard area there, and you can paint over that. And let's see how it does. Also worth mentioning is this is a water-based product, so it's water and soap cleanup, which makes it really easy. And the cool thing is it's flexible on what kind of paints you can use afterwards. We're going to be using an oil-based paint, but you can just use whatever. Here is our finished fence panel. The painting went real well on this. It was easy to paint over this rust converter, much easier than it would have been painting over rust, and that wouldn't have lasted very long anyway. So it turned out really great. It took me by myself 2 days to do the 300 linear feet of paint. It took 2 gallons of paint, but only about 3/4 of a gallon of rust converter. Let's go back here. Here's our spot that we covered up this crack that you could fit a dime into. It's gone now, and I've painted over it, so I expect that to last extremely well. Very happy with this product. I would recommend it, and I will use it again in the future. Thanks for watching today, and be sure and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks a lot.